Today I'm going to show you Parser and Hubspot's new integration. You can use Parser to extract information from different emails, PDFs, CSVs, Excel files, extract that information into Hubspot. I'm going to give you a quick demo on exactly how we can do that. Feel free to reach out to us on support@parser, PARSERR.com if you have any questions or concerns about how to use the integration. Thanks a lot. So let's take it away. First of all, I'm going to register my new user and create a new account on Parser. Great, so we'll say let's get started. The first thing it's going to do is going to give you a new email address. That's where you're going to send all your emails to, so they can get extracted and get put into Hubspot. Most of our customers put an automatic forward on to be able to push those through. Alright, so I've set up a basic email here with the Hubspot demo. We're going to aim to extract first name and last name from an email to Parser. So you can just give that a few seconds to arrive. Great. So we have the option here to extract information from email signatures, contact details, the body. For now, just to keep this example simple, I'm going to extract from the body. Do we intend to use any of the following integration tools? No, we don't. Right, and this is where we're going to choose Hubspot as our integration. That's where we want to push our extracted contact information into. So we'll click finish there. Right, so we want to extract information from the body of the email. So let's go ahead and click that. And you'll see here we're able to actually go and use a set of rules to be able to find the content that we need. So I'll just say go and find me all content after, or all text after the first name, because that's where that's the content that I want to extract. So I just want to extract first name out of there. And then I'm going to use another rule because I'm familiar with the tool to extract, just get the first line that it finds. See, so there I've been able to extract the first name. So I'll say that as first name. Save that rule. Now I've chosen to clone this rule because the last name is very similar, and if I go and have a look at that rule, you'll see that the only thing I have to change there is just to go and search for last name. So go and do that. There we go. I'll just change that rule to last name. Right, that should be all done. So now, I'm going to have a look at my incoming emails. You'll see, if I just pause that quickly, that we're able to extract from the email both the first name and the last name. Now we might be ready to put that into Hubspot. So all we need to do is click on integrations. Just click on Hubspot and choose to sign in with Hubspot. This will take you to Hubspot, where you'll be able to pick the account that you are using. For now we'll use the Parser Dev account. Right, and we've connected to your Hubspot account. So this is this page where we'll actually add the mapping. So we'll tell Parser that when you find the first name, we want to add it to Hubspot in a particular position, which is a particular contact property in Hubspot. So I'll go ahead and do that. So I want to say that the first name in Parser should be mapped to the Hubspot property first name. So I'll go ahead and insert that. And I'll go and add in the last name too. So the last name property should be last name. Save changes. Right, so I think we might be ready for another email. So let's go ahead and create that. Let's go and create somebody new, so we'll just say Joe Smithers. Going to send that through. We're going to choose the dev account. We'll go back to contacts. Go and have a look inside there. Let's see if we can see Joe Smithers. There we are, Joe Smithers. As you can see, the contact was created only just moments ago. If you go and have a look in Parser, you'll see the incoming emails that have come in. And you'll see here that the integration is run successfully. If I go and look at that, you'll see Joe Smithers. So that's a quick demo on how you can use Hubspot and Parser together. As I said, reach out to support@parser.com if you have any other questions. Thank you very much.